Hey, what is up, guys? I decided to go even bigger with this chainring. I love the 52 I have. It's great for the mixed riding, but when I'm doing off-road, going up the super steep hills, I can still definitely feel the surron struggling up those hills. Even though it's a lot better with the 52, I just feel like I needed to go bigger, and I just bit the bullet and went for 58. Decided to go big, and this time I actually decided to get it from Luna. Last time I got the 52 from SUR RON Racing USA. Decided to give Luna a try. They're about the same price. The SUR RON Racing USA charges more for shipping, but they don't charge tax. With Luna charging tax and everything, they end up being about exactly the same. Maybe like a couple bucks less on Luna. So right off the bat, it looks really similar, but if you look right at it, you can see there's no CNC marks. It's super, super clean, much cleaner than the other one. It definitely looks like this was made in some sort of like large factory or something. It doesn't look like it was made on some like regular CNC machine or anything. Also online, it doesn't say made in USA or anything, so I'm kind of assuming they outsourced this and had it made in China, and just had it shipped in with some of their surrons or something, which is totally cool. Like I said, it's super clean. Also, this looks like it's black paint, which is fine, but the Surron Racing USA was definitely like an anodized black, which in my opinion looks a little cooler. But yeah, the chain ring itself is pretty nice, pretty clean. I'm happy with it. The first thing I did notice though, if you look here, let me pull this up. This is the 58 on Luna. You can see that it has these little cutouts, which this does not. So the design is a little bit different than what it shows on the website. But I'm not really complaining. I feel like this still looks really good. I'm happy with it. I'm not going to complain about just that little difference there, the little holes in it. It's totally cool. It's totally cool. And the thing that I'm actually pretty disappointed about is it did not come with a piece of chain so that I could add it to my original chain. So I guess I'm gonna have to order like a whole new chain or some shit, which is gonna end up being way more expensive than getting it from surron Racing USA. I mean, they do sell like little chain pieces and stuff on Luna, but they're sold out and they've been sold out forever. So I mean, I could wait another like 4 months or some shit for them to get it in stock again, or pay someone on eBay 20 bucks or something for like a piece and a master link. They did send me this, um, which is just a master link piece. For some reason, I have no idea why they even bothered sending this. Because if you get a new chain or something, you're gonna get a new master link anyway. And then, what the fuck is this? Like, they sent a non O-ring master link. Literally every single Surron X and every single Segway X260 has an O-ring chain on it. And you're gonna send a non O-ring master link and then like no piece of chain. Like what is the point of this? And then like it's super loose too. It's the shitty. It's not like a WPS one like they send from Surron Racing. Like why even bother sending this bullshit? It's totally useless. That's just a throwaway piece. So if you're gonna be ordering from Luna, just know that you're not gonna get a piece of chain. I double checked on the website, looked through everything. I was sure that it said that it came with a piece of chain, but I guess double checking on their website, it does not say anywhere that it actually comes with a piece of chain, which is really, really disappointing for me. I was really looking forward to getting this on here today and writing, but it looks like I definitely won't be able to do that anytime soon. Gonna have to order a new chain or something for this. Super disappointed. So yeah. If you're gonna be ordering a new chain ring, a new sprocket or whatever, I would definitely suggest going with Surron Racing USA. Not only are you getting like a anodized piece, bespoke, made in USA, definitely has that 7000 series aluminum. I'm not 100% sure about this. And it's gonna come. It's gonna be complete, same price and everything. I definitely won't be ordering another sprocket from Luna, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm just kind of disappointed, but again, the chain ring itself does look pretty nice. Very clean. If you don't like CNC marks, this is going to be the way to go. It's super, super nice. Definitely looks factory made. Um, but other than that, yeah. Um, yeah, kind of disappointing, but yeah. And again, if I didn't mention it, this is 75 bucks, and then you have tax and shipping on top of that. I just feel like it definitely should come with that piece of chain. But you know, maybe that's just me. Maybe this is just a really expensive piece to have made or something. Um, but yeah, I guess this is gonna be going in my parts area till I can get all the stuff squared away. So I guess I'm gonna be searching online for a new chain. Gotta do some research on sizing and stuff, I guess. I'm not exactly sure. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, would I suggest getting a sprocket from Luna? I actually would not. I would say go with SUR RON Racing USA. They are the OG ones. This is actually a copy of their design anyway. And then it's the same price. The SUR RON Racing one's definitely made in USA. Definitely CNC'd, nice bespoke anodized piece, and comes with the chain pieces you need. So yeah, that's about all I have to say about that.